Hi chara, welcome back to this video from Let's Learn Irish. My name is Alana and today we're going to learn how you can wish someone a happy birthday in the Irish language. To wish someone a happy birthday, you can say the following. Lá Breithe Sona Duit. Lá Breithe Sona Duit, meaning happy birthday to you. Lá means day, Breithe refers to birth, Sona refers to happiness, and Duit is to you. Lá Breithe Sona Duit. To say happy birthday friend, you could say this. Lá Breithe Sona Duit a chara. Lá Breithe Sona Duit a chara. If you wish to wish more than one person a happy birthday, you can say the following. Lá Breithe Sona Daoibh. Lá Breithe Sona Daoibh. Agus sin é a chairde. Next time you're at a birthday party, or if you're writing a birthday card, you can use these phrases. Lá Breithe Sona Duit. Happy birthday to you.